What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and today I am talking about another microphone. This microphone is another shotgun microphone. And what shotgun microphone is that? It is the Takstar SGC-598. Can you see that? Can you see that good? I did a comparison of the Takstar SGC-598 with my Pixel MC650. You can find that right here, and I'll link it in the description. But right now, you're hearing the audio from my Canon G50 set at about 50% gain, 50% boost out of 100. And we're going to do a quick comparison of how that built-in microphone sounds compared to this Takstar SGC-598 shotgun mic. The Takstar mic has a couple of basic features built in. I wonder if the light can get in there. You got your off and on button, simple as can be. It takes one battery, the battery compartment's on the back. Slide the battery in there, but I'm not going to do an unboxing or a full review on this. I'm just going to go through these features really quick. You have your 10 decibel gain boost for your audio, and you have your high pass and low cut. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to plug it in, going to set it up, and I'm going to plug it in. Let me get in there. Where are we at? Oh, hold on. I'm getting my mount going. Hold on. I know I should have had this prepared. Oh, wait a minute. Come on. There we go. There we go. Okay, so here we go. Let me go ahead and stretch that cord out. On. Okay, right now we should be, my light's on, everything looks good. We should be hearing the audio from my Takstar SGC-598, which is roughly 12 inches away from me pointing at this mug. Right now, the way I have it set up, it is with the high pass on, high cut on, and I'm going to turn the low cut on. How does the low cut sound? Does it sound better? I'm assuming naturally that this microphone should sound better than the built-in microphone in the Canon, but how does it sound to you right now, especially with the low cut on? And let me turn the high cut or high pass back on. How does this sound? Does it sound better to you this way? I don't know. Let me know what you think, especially compared to the Canon G50 built-in microphone. And now this is with a 10 decibel dB boost, 10 decibel gain, 10 decibel boost. Is it too loud? Is it too distorted? I know this 10 decibel boost is good if you're doing a short film or something, or a long film with somebody in the distance. You want to have that extra boost to pick up their audio, but does it introduce a lot of noise? I don't know. I'm going to take it outside and do a short little audio test just to see. I know when I first bought this microphone, I had it on 10 decibel boost by mistake, and I was outside just practicing with my camera, trying to learn things, and I could hear my neighbor playing music in his car. It wasn't even loud. He was playing music in his car, and he had to be at least 100, 150 yards away, and the audio was clear. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same shortly, just to give you something to compare it to see what it sounds like with the 10 decibel boost on and off, to see how this microphone picks up in the distance. But in my little studio setup, how does it sound now? Well, I assumed that 10 decibel boost was a little bit too high, so I just turned it off. But how does it sound now with me talking with the 10 decibel boost off? Does it sound good? Does it sound crystal clear? Or do you prefer the sound of the Canon G50? Let me go ahead and unplug it really quick one more time. This is the Canon G50 microphone, just picking up the audio only, nothing more. Hold on, let me get that out of there so it doesn't make that scratching sound. Let me move that so you don't have to look at that. How does it sound? This is just the Canon G50 built-in microphone at 50% gain or 50% amplification. How does it sound? Or do you, as expected, like the way that the Takstar SGC-598 sounds? If so, I'll put a link in the description. I think at the time when I bought this microphone, almost a year ago, I think I paid roughly $25, give or take, for it. I don't know what it costs now, but I'll put a link in the description so you can get one for yourself. So this is a distance test for the Takstar SGC-598. And like I said earlier, that it did pick up pretty great distances. I am roughly 15 feet away, and it's a windy day, but I don't have a dead cat. I just have the pop filter or wind filter on there that it comes with. But I'm about 15 feet away, and everything is set to neutral. The high cut is on, and is at 0 decibel gain. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch to the low cut at 0 dB gain, and we're going to back up to roughly 10-15 feet where Penny is. Hi Penny, good girl. So does it make a difference with the low cut on at this distance with the wind blowing? Can you tell the difference between the high cut and the low cut? And lastly, I'm going to put the 10 dB gain on and see if it makes any distortion. So up close I'm sure to distort, but when I back up, how does it sound? Is this audio clear? Does it sound good to you? Is it usable? I don't know. If it is or isn't, I'll put notes in the video just so I can let you know what I think. But as of right now, I mean, the last time I tried it, it seemed to work pretty good, so maybe. And actually, this is the last test. I'm going to keep it at 10 dB gain with the high pass on. 10 dB gain, high pass on, and roughly 15 feet away. And how does it sound? Does it work for you with the Takstar SGC-598, or am I too far? Is it picking up too much ambient noise? I don't know. We'll find out in post. But if you don't mind, please leave me a comment and let me know if you like the sound of this Takstar SGC-598, or if you're okay with the built-in audio that comes through the Canon G50. Alright, this is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I'll see you in the next short microphone video.